Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, my village, my English, and my name is Sapna. So guys, in this video I am going to talk about how you can enrich your vocabulary, because without words we cannot speak. These are the words which help us to communicate, which help us to convey our message to other person. Because without words we cannot say anything, we cannot complete a single sentence. We cannot communicate anything to other person. Somewhere and sometime we get stuck while speaking with other person. Words don't come in our mind. Because lack of words we are unable to communicate with other person, and we feel hesitate, we feel shy, and we unable to talk to other person. And in this video I am going to suggest some tips. I hope it will help you a lot to improve your vocabulary. The number one is, see dear one, if you are beginner, so focus on that vocabulary which is practical in use, which we usually practically use. For example, we have the words which we use in our daily life and sentences that we use in our daily life. And whenever you learn some new word, try to make sentences in your own words in that to learn that vocabulary or to learn that words. It's very important, because if you talk about vocabulary, what we do, we only learn words and again cram it, and we unable to utilize that word in our conversation. I think that is useless, because initial stage we have to learn only that words, only that vocabulary that we easily use in our conversation or our daily life. Fine, it's very important, because our mind has so many words, bulk of words in our mind. You can analyze yourself that whenever we listen some person and vocabulary by the other person, we already know the meaning of that word. But the thing is, we usually don't use that word in our conversation or daily life, so that's why we not use that word. So learn only practical vocabulary that we use in our daily life. The next one is, learn only the word which you think that it's important. Sometime if I suppose if you are a farmer, or if you are a language teacher, for example you are a teacher of English language, so I think the person whosoever is a teacher of this language, so the person should know each and everything about this language. But sometime we listen the podcast, such type of podcast which is not usually we use in our conversation or our daily life. Because this is important to think that we have to listen. As much as we listen, we can improve a lot, no doubt. But at the same time we have to keep in mind what things we are listening. The things which we are listening, is it important? Is it we using that words in our daily life or not? Initial stage you can follow this method. After that, when you think that now you are able to communicate your message to other person, then you have to focus on your vocabulary portion. In this way you can follow so many methods. For example, if you are if you know the meaning of one particular thing, you must be curious, if we say this word in this manner, how we can use it is in a different manner. Okay, so for example, if I am hungry, we can use the word starving for it, we can use the word famished for it. So it is a different method with which the word you can curious what we know the other what are the other meaning of this word, what are the other name of this word. In this way you can easily learn this vocabulary. So if you like my video, please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification. Thank you very much.